Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2019 Nissan Rogue. We are doing a radiator fan assembly. This is the one, if you see my little short, has a massive imbalance when this thing is spinning. So I'll show you how to replace. First, I'm going to take the little cover off. Has Phillips head screws all here. Push pin, push pin, push pin, and push pin. And this piece will slide up and out of the way. We'll want to take this little cowl panel piece off. We'll go like yay. I have push pin here, and a 10 right here, and that slides out. Next, horn right here needs to come out. There's a 13 right here. This 10 needs to come out. This push pin, this crash sensor, that's a 10, comes up and out of the way. Another push pin right there, and a 13 right here. Now these 13s, I used a swivel or a 1/4 inch 13. Will get into that because it's a pretty tight spot right here. 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, that other 13, push pin on that side, and you can't see it, it's behind here, it holds the AC bracket, but once those items are loose, you'll be able to pull this forward, and right here, there's going to be a 10mm bolt that you'll have to take out that's holding this AC line bracket to this assembly. Once you pull this out of the way, you'll be able to see it, and then once that is off, then this whole bar right here will come up, and you can just move it up and over there. Once that is off, you will have a 10 down here, right there, and then on the other side, not sure if I'm getting it on there, but yeah, there's just two 10s at the bottom, and then there's little hook clips up here at the top, so it just pulls itself right out. See these yellow tabs on this for the resistor and one for the fan? Pull the tab backwards, then you can put a screwdriver underneath it and lift the clip up and pull it off. Do the same thing for the bottom. Take the fan assemblies out of the way. You're going to have a couple zip tied type items, one here, just to hold the fan itself into place, like this right here. They just hold the harness so that it doesn't get to anything. Once you do that, then the fan assembly, the whole thing will just pop itself right out with no problem. Going back in, it's just the exact opposite. Make sure you slide it in, zip in the two 10s at the bottom, hook everything back up, and go in reverse order. This took me about 30 to 45 minutes from start to finish. About ready to fire it up here in about 3 minutes after I put that cover back on. But any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.